Hi, in this lecture you will learn how to write Summation symbol in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint by using shortcut method. For this you have to press Alt key with plus key, then equation box will appear and you have to just type backslash and sum. Then press space key. There will appear summation sign. If you want to put its limit, then for lower limit, just press shift key with minus key. For example, I want to write 1 and for upper limit, I want to press 6. For this, you have to press shift key and then press 6 and just type 6 and then press space key. You can see summation sign with limits. Now if you want to change the limits, for example I want to write I is equal to 1 to 6 and here you can write your actual function. Thank you.